All right, so Gemini 3.0 is now out. Is it the real deal or is it hype? In today's video, I'll be doing a comparison between Gemini 3.0 and Gemini Flash 2.5. So if you want to use Gemini 3 for free, head over to Google's AI Studio, ai.google.com. I believe I'll leave the link in the description below today's video. So first, what I've done here is I'm going to go ahead and use one of my old prompting files that I have. If you want to check it out, again, I'll leave a link for it. But this is one of my old prompts that I've used to generate really in-depth articles. Now you don't need to be as in-depth when it comes to inputting your prompts, because the AI is just really, really good at understanding context. So this article is how to make money on TikTok Shop. As you can see, we are using Gemini 3.0. The thinking level, we're going to leave it as high, and we're going to go ahead and run this generation. So I've expanded the thinking model so we can see kind of what it looks like and how it goes about researching and writing its content. Once it's decided on its process, as you can see, it then went ahead and created a blog post outline. And this looks really, really good. We have a title and a meta description, and here is the full article. And just from looking at this article and reading it, I really like it. It sounds very personable. It sounds not robotic, not AI. And it sounds like a human actually wrote the content. The things that I don't like about the content is that it's a little bit shorter. I told it to include external links. It did not include those external links. And it doesn't feel like a truly complete article with tables, lists, and just more information that would make this article stand out. I like the writing style. I like the tone. I like the readability. But again, those things that I mentioned before are lacking. So I just went ahead and redid it and gave it a word count to see if it would follow that word count of 3,000 words. So while that's generating, I wanted to compare this article with Gemini Flash. Now, if you didn't know, on WordRocket, we have Gemini Flash available. You can use it for completely free. So if you turn off web research and you head over to the AI models, you will see that Gemini 2.5 Flash is available. Head over to Settings, API Keys, and Google's AI Studio, the same module in which we were using to generate content. Grab your API key. Google will give you a free API key, no payment method needed, and pop that in. And now you can generate content for completely free using WordRocket. So I'm going to give it a word count of 3,400 words. We can also include internal links. So I'm going to test this out, and we're going to include one of our websites here. And we're going to include 3 custom images, including a image cover, a blog post image cover. Go ahead and generate content. In about 2 to 3 minutes, the text content will be finished, and it takes maybe another minute or so to get the actual image itself to generate. Let's go back over. As I mentioned, I expanded this to 3,000 words. And as you can see, the content does look a little bit longer. But again, I really like how readable and the tone. If you read through the article, it's really, really well written. It's very personable. It's very relevant. It's very informational as well. Talks about the shoppertainment model, how people are changing their buying habits using TikTok, and the advantages of using TikTok, and some key facts that you can use if you wanted to open or make money on TikTok Shop. So again, I really like the core essence of the article, but even when I did a word count, which you'll see in a little bit, this article was still below 3,000 words. It's about 2,700 words. Here's the article converted into Markdown. Again, as you can see, it looks really, really good. After I went ahead and I did a word count, in terms of words, it's about 2,700 words, as I mentioned before. Now, the article from WordRocket is complete. If you wanted to try out WordRocket for yourselves, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. As you can see, the content is much longer and the images are still generating. But if you went ahead and read through this, it's really, really good. It feels like a more complete article and blog post. I would probably say that it could be a little bit more engaging. It could be a little bit more readable. It could just be a little bit more human sounding that we were getting from Gemini 3. But again, we're using Gemini 2.5 Flash, and this is a completely free model. But again, we get tables, we get lists, we get beautiful external and internal links as well. As you can see, those links are embedded. We got a really nice image. That's the third image that's generated. But as you can see, your internal links will be included. And that's where WordRocket really stands out. It's automated. It allows you to include internal links. You can even choose multiple different internal links. And as you can see here, it automatically generates custom images and embeds it within the article. So let's scroll back up here. And if you take a look at the image, this image is beautiful. It has the TikTok logo. It has TikTok shop. It has a user working. It looks really good. It's really relevant. You don't have to spend time going on another image model to create your image, right? So these images are really relevant. They just enhance the article's quality and allows you to really stand out and really automate creating high quality content. This is just a preview of what it would look like on your actual website. So you get a better idea. These are the generated images, and that's the full article. If you wanted to, you can actually create a shareable link. It's a really nice feature that we've added in. And if you check out that shareable link, you'll be able to see what that article looks like, and you can share that with anyone on your team or wherever you would like to put that article. We did a word count, and this article is very, very long. This is over 4,000 words of content. And again, this is why I really, really like our tool, is because it combines everything in one place. SEO optimization, in-depth article, internal linking, images. You can post directly to WordPress. You can add your brand guide. As you can see, this article is over 4,000 words. I'll leave a link for WordRocket below. But overall, Gemini 3 Pro seems pretty good for content writing. I think it's more detailed and more selective in its words. You're going to get less fluff. You're going to get more of the meat of the content, which I really, really do like. But in terms of content creation, I don't think there's a big difference between 3.0 and 2.5. I would recommend using 2.5 Pro or even 2.5 Flash for completely free. And if you'd like to use it for free, as I mentioned in today's video, you can use it on WordRocket, app.wordrocket.ai. Thank you guys for watching this quick comparison. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.